So here's how to create a complete presentation with Gamma App AI. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and search Gamma App AI. Go to the website and log into your account. This is my Gamma App AI account. Click on Create New, then click Generate. You can create presentation, document, and web page. I will create presentation. Click Presentation and write your topic. I will create presentation on the benefits of daily exercise. AI generated outline for the presentation. You can edit this outline or click Try Again for new outline. AI generated a new outline. Click Continue. Pick a theme for your presentation and then click Continue. Gamma App AI is creating presentation with relevant pictures. Now the presentation is created on benefits of daily exercise. You can edit your text like this. You can also change images of your presentation and select images of your own choice. Just click on the image and select image of your own choice from the right side. There are 3 options: all images, free to use, and free to use commercially. Now click on Share, copy link, and anyone with the link can view this presentation. You can also export your presentation to PDF and PowerPoint. This is how you can create a complete presentation with Gamma App AI.